In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve full, luscious and bouncy mini twist. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this leave-in spray, which is made out of leave-in conditioner, oil and water. It depends on how thick and how potent you want it to be, just make it to your own hair's liking. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be parting the hair, and make sure you detangle your hair to aid easy parting. And straight line coming through the back. This is going to be mini twist but medium parting. So I'm going to be making sure that the parting is as clean as I can. Whether you're a pro, you're a beginner, you're an amateur, you're someone that has been doing this for years, or someone that is just doing it, try your best to make the pattern as clean as you can so that the hair can look presentable and neat. Now I'm going to be going to box. As you can see, this is the first part of the hair. Let me just be honest with you, the first one may not be the best. As you go on, you just get better and better. No matter how long you've been doing it, I've been doing hair for like a few months now, and whenever I do the hair, the first one always isn't, it's always iffy. So sometimes I just try my best to improve it as I go on. So I'm going to be twisting from left to right. Make sure you're twisting the left over the right. Sometimes I switch up from right to left just to see the difference and just to see how quick I am, and I realize that I'm quicker when I'm doing the left over the right method. Now this method has been working for me, but make sure to try and experiment with other things that are working for you. And that is the only method I'm going to be using in this video. But if you have any other methods that you've heard of or seen anywhere, comment down below as clear as you can so that others can learn from the method too. Now I'm going to be doing that to the exact same thing to every single row I part with. I'm going to upload a picture here which shows you like parting sizes and ways for different hairstyles and for different sizes of mini twist. Honestly, to be honest, if your twists aren't tiny, they aren't considered mini twist. Now as you can see, the camera isn't showing the full thing, but it is as clean as I can, and I'm not using any product. I'm just using my conditioner, water and oil. You don't need a hair gel, because a lot of people these days have been saying, oh my god, you need a hair gel to do twist, you need to do twist. You don't necessarily need a hair gel, but if you feel and you know that your hair will be better and more cleaner and the pattern will be as tight as it can, make sure you use a hair gel or any hair gel like you have at home. But try your best not to go out of your boundaries or out of budget just to do what people show online. To be honest, it isn't always the truth. Now as you can see, we're on the last row for the first row. I made 4 on this row. I'm pretty sure I made 4 on this row, and to be honest, that is the best size I can tell you for mini twist for the first bottom row. Make sure you do 4, or if you want it to be extra mini, you do 5 or 6, but to be honest, 4 is the easiest and the fastest way to go about it. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the whole head, and I'll see you guys when so this is the second row right now. I'm doing the same exact method as I mentioned before. I'm braiding the roots like 5 to 6 braids, then I'm going to be twisting from left over to the right. Now this is one of the easiest methods I can tell you. This, so when as mini twist isn't really that special, or it isn't anything tiring or time taking. You just have to be patient and you have to know what you're doing. If not, it won't come out as desired or as clean as you want it to be. Now this is a hairstyle that can help you grow your hair, help you retain length, but try your best not to keep it in for too long, because if you do, it will end up turning into locks. This is the final result. As you can see, this is the last and the middle parting. The middle parting is always a tricky one, but to be honest, I don't like stressing over the middle parting, because if you do, that's when it actually gets way too stressful. Doing the exact same method on every single thing is what you want to do, because sometimes changing your technique or your method can actually affect the hair and how it end up looking in the ending. But just enjoy the music while you guys watch the mini part of this video. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one
none of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
We have finally reached the ending of this video, which is the last braid of the hair, and honestly just ignore the mess in the background. Life happens. Okay, now this is the last part. As you can see, I am still doing the same exact method, left to right. To be honest, just try and make sure you adjust the person's head. Just try to be calm with the person you're braiding, or if you're braiding yourself, that's fine. I braid myself sometimes, but you have to be careful just so that you won't pull or tug the roots of the person or your hair, just so you can be kind on your scalp and also help your hair retain as much length. Now, mini twist is a very good and versatile hairstyle. I'll actually be uploading a video soon, probably on Wednesday, how to, like 10 or 15 different ways to style your twist. Mine is with extensions, but hers is not with extension, it's just with her natural hair, and her hair is actually in the growing phase. Now these twists are one of the best twists I've ever done on someone else. Mini twists, oh my god, these twists look really good. I actually really like these twists, honestly, but I wish I could do it on myself. And this twist, as I mentioned before, I didn't use any gel, any braiding gel, any echo gel, any edge control. You just have to go natural about this. If you want to trim the ends, trim it. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video to other people.
And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. Now the coffee that I made in the morning, you're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how